Check, check, 1, 2. Check, check, 3, 4. Okay, very cool. We have some nice bokeh-age going on in the background. And I almost feel like that should be a... No, it doesn't matter. Does not matter. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to RC with Adam. This right here is the thing that I'm giving away. It's a drone. It's the Potensic Atom SE. You're here because you got entered in the giveaway by leaving a comment in the previous video. And this is the announcement video. So, without further ado, the winner of this drone is none other than... Wavy Ruffles. Wavy Ruffles says, "Hi Adam, I've always loved drones and your channel is great for the hobby. Good luck to all in the giveaway." Well, Wavy Ruffles, it looks like you're the one with all of the luck because you are going to get this in the mail. Now, the thing that you need to do is contact me within 1 week of the posting date of this video. So send me an email. Adam@RCwithAdam.com is my email address. Put Potensic Atom or Atom SE giveaway in the subject line so I know who it is. And scammers, don't even try to scam me, because once you email me, we're going to go through a verification process to make sure that the person who left that comment is the same person that's emailing me, and that's what we're going to do. Now, but wait, there's more. Just in case Wavy Ruffles does not get back to me in 1 week, we are also going to select a backup winner, and that is going to be none other than Lman Baseball. And Lman Baseball says, "Sounds cool." It's not quite as deep and complimentary as Wavy Ruffles, but sounds cool. You are the backup winner. So in case Wavy Ruffles does not contact me within 1 week, then I will the prize will then be transferred to you. So you may contact me as well, just so we're ready, just in case. You can send me an email, Adam@RCwithAdam.com. And send me an email. I'll let you know that I got it, and then I will contact you if... well, either way, just so you're not waiting around. If Wavy Ruffles does get to me, then I'll say, hey, they claimed the prize, better luck next time. Or they didn't claim the prize, and so here you go. So Wavy Ruffles, send me an email with your preferred shipping address. Again, about the shipping. If it's in the continental United States, I will pay the cost of shipping, because I think that's what makes a giveaway really great. Even though like you're getting an item that might be like a few $100s and you have to pay like a few dollars in shipping, something about just like you don't even have to pay a thing. It just shows up at your door. There's something special about that. So I like to do that as much as I can with my giveaways. However, if you live outside of the continental United States, shipping can be very expensive. And so I will pay up to half of the cost of shipping to hopefully make that happen, because I know I do have quite a few overseas viewers, and I love to include you guys in the giveaways, even though sometimes it's a little trickier since you live so far away. But anyway, that's enough talking from me. Thanks everybody for commenting and all that. The winners, send me emails, and we'll get all this whole thing rolling. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go out there and fly something, go build something, go crash something well, and I will see you again very soon.
Yeah, I mean, we get bars in our goggles.